And Vijay, your drilling workshop activities, this workshop is away or is inside the well-paid area? Because this activity I want to capture and I am allowing it. If it is outside your well-paid area, I don't have any problem. If it is inside, then we need to have some restriction.
The drilling workshop.
So here, what you are referring as workshop activities? And
do you have any workshop?
Yeah, we have
Yeah,
a workshop. It's a separate container. Yani. It's a container that the guys working inside. It will be like a footprint only, and it's not like.
Okay, so can we say like this? The drilling workshop activities are safe and can be allowed?
Yes, it's allowed. It's allowed.
Oh. And if this is inside the container, there is no problem for weather, right? Or this is outside the container?
It's within the.
It is open.
It is within the footprint. It's within the. It is like a container, no, Mr. Khalid. It's a workshop.
Yes, container. Only the welding workshop is.
Okay, then I will allow. Then I will allow in the weather condition also, because weather is outside container, inside container.
Whether you can have a restriction if it is.
Yeah, it is affecting any at that point.
But Vijay, if you are having the container and if operator is not maintenance, people are not going outside, why you need to restrict? I'm happy. I'm happy either way.
I think maybe sometimes, outside the workshop, they for bigger equipment, they will work outside for racks and all of that. It's better.
Okay, Khalid, understand. Okay, agreement. So this I will, we have identified a lot of activity in drilling. So that is good for us. And good news for the team also. I will make it same color. Okay. And but Vijay, do you have well operation together?
Chairman, I have one comment. This lifting operation you put R5, okay, but rig up and rig down is lifting operation, nothing else. Why not R5 and why it is prohibited?
Okay.
Again, this rig up and rig down is not only there is a vehicle movement. There is a lot of other activities that's ongoing with the rig up and rig down. It's not only involving lifting only. There is hammering, there is cabling, there is assembling, there is people working around that area. So it's not only lifting operation for rig up. There is a lot of activities ongoing.
There are many other hazards.
No, I understand that point, but the thing is, it is affected in a particular